I'm fixing a bug today that only occurs inside of a mobile browser. And so I'm going to show anybody who has a local development environment how to expose that online so that you can test things on your phone very easily.
The problem we're solving today is that when you click inside of this search items field, see how it zooms in a little bit? That prevents the user from being able to use the web app to its full power because they're now zoomed in and they can't see the whole screen. Our fix is to remove the zoom when we click inside of that search element.
If you look at that URL, I had the word Ngrok in the URL. Check this out. So there's a website called Ngrok. And so Ngrok comes with a command line utility. It allows you to expose your local development environment online. So if we actually go to my terminal and we go to my server tab, we can see that I have the application running on port 4000 on my computer. So if I run Mix Phoenix Server, that actually runs the app on port 4000. So what Ngrok allows me to do is that it allows me to expose my local environment online. So that's what I have in this bottom section here. So all I have to do is type Ngrok HTTP 4000. What that does is it exposes my internal 4000 port online, and I can actually visit it and debug this problem because I can visit this URL on my phone and I can solve the bug from there.
And here's the final bug fix. When you click inside of the search element now, you no longer get a zoom. And I was able to confirm this in my development environment without having to deploy this to production. I was able to confirm this on my phone, and I hope that you find this helpful.